Good morning, my name is Koos de Villiers from Talisman High Strand, Laingsburg, as well as Claremont. Today we want to continue with the use of dehumidifiers. And I want to explain to you why a dehumidifier should be used in conjunction with a space heater or a blow heater. We're in the middle of winter and we've got water leakages and we've got roofs leaking. We have got whatever the reason is for moisture that you want to get out of your property. Now you would use a dehumidifier, which the pure function of a dehumidifier is to get moisture which is in suspense out of the air to get drier air. Now we've got two versions at Talisman High Strand. We've got this one, the smaller version, which takes out 38 liters per 24 hours. This bigger machine has the capacity to take out 80 liters of water in suspense in a 24-hour state. However, dehumidifiers work in optimum condition at a temperature of about 34 degrees. So how do you get 34 degrees to get maximum water evaporation so that you can take the evaporated moisture which is in suspense out through a dehumidifier? So these are the two options available. If you've got moisture in your property to get rid of, these are dehumidifiers. But please, when you do use dehumidifiers, you need to use a heat source to get the evaporation out of the wet area. So this is a space heater. This gets used in conjunction with a gas supply, LPG gas, to optimize your temperature. And if it's a small 4x3 room or a 4x5 room, you could use a small electrical gas blower as well. It needs to be a blower pointed at the source of moisture. The space heater also pointing at the source of moisture to get the evaporation out of the substance. And then the dehumidifier takes the moisture which is in suspense out of the area. It needs to be enclosed. That's the requirement for it. And you would use a space heater typically in 1,000 square meterage plus area, and you'll use a small little electrical blower like that in a typical 20 or 25 or a 50 square meter room. And the reason for this is this goes very high in temperature. You could ignite, whether it's paint, floor or wood, you could ignite it in a small area. So this gets only used in areas from 5 to 1,000 square meterage area. The small electrical heater in smaller rooms in conjunction with your dehumidifier. I hope it helped you to keep your space dry and to use you to have a safe environment, a more moist-free, which is a much more healthier environment. Please use our products available at Talisman High Strand, Claremont or Laingsburg. Have a super dry day. Thank you.